The ultimate DTLRcom review, tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for sneakers, streetwear or exclusive drops, most people get this wrong by assuming every online store is the same. The surprising truth about DTLRcom is that it combines premium brands, limited releases, and loyalty rewards, making it a go-to hub for enthusiasts. First, create an account. Signing up unlocks promotions, early access notifications, and the loyalty program. You won't believe how many shoppers miss out on exclusive releases by skipping this simple step. Next, browse categories strategically. DTLR offers footwear, apparel, and accessories. Filter by size, brand, or style to quickly find what fits your needs. Most people scroll aimlessly and miss the best deals or limited items. Check product details and reviews. Every sneaker or apparel item has size guides, material info, and customer feedback. Understanding these prevents sizing mistakes and ensures you get what you expect. The surprising truth is that a poorly chosen size is the most common regret in online sneaker shopping. Take advantage of promotions and rewards. DTLR's loyalty points and seasonal sales can save you significant money. Many customers overlook these perks, losing value with every purchase. Finally, review shipping and return policies. Knowing timelines, fees, and conditions prevents surprises and makes returns seamless. Efficient handling ensures your shopping experience stays smooth. In conclusion, DTLRcom is more than a retailer, it's a destination for serious sneaker and streetwear fans. Sign up, browse smartly, check reviews, use rewards, and understand policies. These steps take you from zero to pro in online shopping while securing the best products and deals.